Here we have a map of world cities, symbolized with a graduated symbology. It's nothing special. How could we turn this map into something more like this? The answer is in some of the Esri custom style sets that they have created and posted for you to download and use in ArcGIS Pro. Let's take a look at a browser. You can do a quick Google search for Esri Style Gallery, something to that effect, and you'll get here the gallery for Esri styles. And there are all these different preset style sets that you can download. Firefly, watercolor, My Precious, to make maps look like the token maps from Lord of the Rings. Some standard ones like transportation, civic, forestry, and so on. But take a look, there are some really interesting ones that you can have fun with, make a really creative map with, or like here for the George Washington one, if your job is to make historical looking maps, here's a style set to do just that very easily. So what you would do is click on the one that you want, Lego map, download it. It will download a StyleX file, and then just save that somewhere to a known location. I put a whole bunch of mine just flat out on the C drive. Now you go into ArcGIS Pro, go to your catalog pane, and on the right here you'll see styles. These are all the default style sets that come with the software. So right click on styles, do add style, and then browse for the location where you saved all those files. If you downloaded something and don't see what you downloaded, hit the little refresh button up here, and then you'll see the rest of them. So I am going to add all of these and hit OK. They've now loaded in, and I can see them in the styles right here. Now when I go to my cities, I can go to Appearance, can go to Symbology, and I can do Graduated Symbols. And when I pick a style for my template, I can go to Gallery, and I'll see all the different style sets that I just imported. Pretty neat. Now I'm in graduated symbology, but this would work for any layer, single symbol, graduated symbols, point, line, or polygon. So what I'm going to do is Firefly, and I'm going to pick a nice, fun, glowy orange. So now everything is a glowy orange. Now one trick with Firefly is it works best on a dark background. So I'm going to go to Map. I'm going to change my base map to something dark. Now that is a way cooler map than what we started with. I could go back to my cities layer. I could also play around with these. Wrong direction. I could play around with these and I could make them bigger. And I could choose whatever effect I want. So there's a really neat example of using Esri custom styles in your map. Take a look at the style gallery, see what interests you, download it, and have fun making a really cool map.